hear someone say soup. I think so. It's getting cold. Hello everyone, welcome to Junjun's kitchen. Yes, it's fall now. The weather is getting chilly at night. So today we're gonna make some soup. We're gonna make the soup the whole week. Borscht. Borscht is a Russian soup. It's really popular. Beef and vegetable soup. But different countries have their own way to make their own borscht. Like I'm Chinese. In China, we make borscht without this little red thing, beets. I think most Chinese, they don't like the earthy taste about the beets. That's why they don't really prefer beets in their borscht soup. They prefer tomato-based soup. They use fresh tomato, tomato paste, canned tomato, or someone even use ketchup in the soup too. I'm gonna show you what we use in our borscht soup. Okay, ingredients, we got fresh tomato, we got beef already marinated, potato, onion, celery, and carrots. Cabbage, of course. Tomato paste. So for tomato part, most Chinese, they like to use ox tomato. They call it ox tomato or cow tomato. I don't know I even translate the right way or not. But this is tomato from my friend's garden. Thanks for my friend. I just saved $2 on the tomato. Yeah, grocery shopping is really ridiculous this year. Everything, the price went up so high. Slice the tomato. Okay, we got all the vegetables good to go. Potato, carrots, onion, cabbage, celery, and tomato. And here is our meat. I did use black pepper, salt, and flour. Marinate the beef for an hour already. Because I don't think you want to watch me for 1 hour. Just kidding. I guess it doesn't matter what kind of part of beef you use, but most Chinese like to use brisket, oxtail, beef cheeks, or beef shin. Something's not really lean. But today I used ribeye steak. Don't judge me like I'm wasting steak here. I like medium well steak anyway. I just found this in my freezer. Like I realize if I don't use them now, they're probably gonna be dead in my freezer. Okay, everything's ready to go. Let's get started. I'm using non-stick pan on high heat. Put some oil. We're gonna stir fry our beef first. Why I use the flour, salt, and pepper marinate the beef, I think the flour actually can lock the juice inside of the beef, can make your beef taste more tender. And also the flour can thick up your soup later. Stir fry the beef around 5 minutes until the beef color change, caramelized, and the beef is done. Put on the side dish. Same pan, You don't even necessarily need to wash it. Put our garlic in, minced garlic. Onion. We're gonna saute all the vegetables first, except potato and cabbage. We don't need to actually put extra seasoning inside. Our seasoning I'm talking about is like salt, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. For salt part, we already marinated the beef. So the meat is actually salted already. And later, we're gonna use the beef stock, which is salted already. If we add extra salt now, our soup is gonna be too salty. Oh yeah, I'm gonna use Instant Pot to make this soup. It's faster, easy, and I don't think I can wait that long. I'm so hungry. If you don't want to use Instant Pot, it's fine too. Just put a regular pot and cook a longer time. When the vegetable is cooking, we're gonna put our beef in the pot. Saute the vegetables around 5 minutes. Add our tomato paste. Tomato paste to make our soup really tomatoey and the color is gonna turn to the red. Since we don't use beets, we gotta use something to make the soup look red, right? And tomato itself, fresh tomato itself doesn't look red enough for the soup. You can use ketchup too. Right, we're gonna put those in. Ooh, and make a mess here. In the Instant Pot, we're gonna add potato, cabbage, beef stock, just like that. We're gonna cover the lid, lock it, turn the pressure 30, cook around 20 minutes. Alright, the soup is in the Instant Pot cooking. Now I'm going to make some rice. In China, we serve the soup with white rice. Like I've been lived in the United States for 11 years and we always, most of the time, we eat the soup with crackers. Sometimes bread, of course. But anyway, I'm gonna make the white rice. See you in 30 minutes. It has been 30 minutes. Our soup is ready. Let's check it out. The color looks great. Let me taste first before I decide to add some more salt. Yep. Now we're gonna add some sugar. Around a teaspoon salt. Mix it together. And our soup is ready to serve. By the way, I forgot to add bay leaves. Oh well, it's gonna be the soup Chinese style borscht without bay leaves. But the flavor is still good, it still tastes good. Let's dig in.我开始享用咯。Let me try this soup first. It just tastes like home without bay leaves. Try the beef. Super tender. So delicious. The sweetness, you can taste the sweetness and sourness from the fresh tomato and tomato paste. The beef flavor and all the vegetables balanced perfect together. Overall, it's really good. Worth to try. Oh, I forgot my rice. We're gonna put some soup, some potato. Just like this. So good. Now you know what is a Chinese borscht soup look like, and you know how to cook it too. Just don't forget the bay leaves like me. Thank you for watching today's video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. And do you want to know what country's borscht style we're gonna make tomorrow? Please subscribe my channel. Huh? You guys still here? Please subscribe my channel. Keep up with me. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.